Greetings and welcome back to another episode of Hands On with BLG. We're back in the motorhome again today. We're going to see if we can hang that TV up there with that hanger that I had in the man cave at the old house. So we're going to see what happens. It held up a 42. It'll hold up a little 32. That thing don't weigh but 10 pounds. But anyways, I am BLG. I'm righty. I am lefty. They're going to assist me, of course, as usual. So let's get to looking at this thing and see what I can get going for our little running around escapades today. We'll get you set up over here, somewhere like this. See, these things go on the back of the TV, like this. We got a little pull thing. See how that moves? So it goes up, it clips, and then it locks in, see? So we're going to see what I can do if I can get this to hang up there. I'm choking to death because it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I just got up about a half hour ago. Trying to get a shot. I know you can't see much, but it's what we've got to work with, folks. Just going to have to stick with me here. See if I can get me some room. Get the Phillips screwdriver out. Put it in here. Alright, now let's see what we got here. These are the regular screws that came with it. Let's see here. This is the back, so don't have to worry too much about that. Can't let it get higher than the top of the TV. In fact, I think I want to put it right at the bottom of this one. Looks about right. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's hang this up here. Oh God, the TV's in the way. I want to see something. TV, you're going to have to move. You go over here. I want to see something first. This clips over the top, right? Yeah, and then underneath. So in order for this to clip over the top, okay, I might be able to do this. Hang on. I'm just figuring this out on the fly. I need room down here, so let's move this box out of the way. Okay. This, are you trailer screwed up there? Yeah. I'm going to see if I can get that off of there. I don't want that there. I don't want that there. You don't make me happy. You see me wave. And that's the wrong bit. Yay, BLG! It's dark over here. I can't see. That's not it. That's not it. There. That might be it. No, that's the wrong bit. That might be it. There it is. Alright. Let's see what we get here. Okay. Let's go all the way here. At least they're just coming right off. That's not bad. Not bad at all. There we go. I'm going to set that over there. Set you guys over here with that. Okay, now. See, this is up there again, right? I didn't want you to click in. Okay. Why didn't I bring the TV? Oh, wait a minute. There's a screw right there. I'll line up with that screw. Okay, here we go. We're going to try it this way then. Change of plans. I want to try to mount this thing first. Don't worry, I'll get it figured out here eventually. Yeah, all these screws I bought at the hardware store. I can't even open this bag. There's no getting in here. Here we go. I bought all these. They were holding up the 42-inch TV. So I need my Phillips screwdriver now. Need this bit back, this bit, right, chaw. Alright, let me see if I can do this. That was happy sitting right there. So if I put this right here, get it started. Which it should start right in there. Run this bitch through here. Getting the left hand going. There we go. Some drive behind this son of a bitch. Something like this. I can do that, see? Now this is going to be good. This is going to be good. I got this motherfucker figured out now. Look at this. Level. This level here. Nobody likes an unlevel TV, DLG. I know, I know. I'll just hold on to this little bastard until it comes out here then. Oh, don't do that, DLG, no. You've got it all fuckery together. Here we go, here we go. Bullseye. Sons of bitches. Ha ha! Yes! He scores! Right. Pop another one right chaw. In this corner. Fighting out of the green ring. Oh, fighting out of the green corner, I mean. That motherfucker goes right now. Woohoo! I grab one more. Right chaw. Ow, it's got a hold on me. Okay. Come back over here to the left-handed. Oh shit, I'm going back in. I'm gonna run this in. Like this. Nicely done, sir. Look at that. Tell me that's leaving. It ain't. Okay. Whoa, whoa. I'm caught. I put down the fucking captain's chair arm. Okay, now I'm gonna put these on the back of this. Now we're back over to here. I want you sitting right about there now. Carefully. I got these. Got little lock washers and a little regular washer. This is the bottom. And there's four of these little screws. Okay, well, second hole from the bottom. I'll run this one in. La 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 la. Now, let's see if it'll hang up. Oh, I gotta get the feet off of it. Yeah, that's not gonna sit anywhere. There we go, okay. Let's get its feet off. La-dee-dee-dee-doo-doo-doo-doo. Ba-da-ba-da-pa-ba-lam-a-lam-a. Get the fuck off of there. I want to see what happens if I hang this little pig boy up. See what it does. Sure, you gotta be over there. I'm not even in that, am I? And I have no more fucking... Here we go. There she goes. Come here, you little fart. Come here, you little fart. Thank you. go. Come on. The big wonder. Oh, actually, the big what I need to do first. This needs to get pushed back in here. Oh, that was cool. It can slide that far, and it can slide that far. But it's hung up, folks. There she is. Alright. There we go. Right. Let me just set that up here. Now I can put this drawer all the way in. I can still get the drawer in and out. That's nice. That is nice. Okay. Now we test it to see if it comes on. I did it.
She tosses again.
Alright, there we go. Well, that's cool. That's all mounted out of the way. Put these back in here.
Now you are ready.
Wow, that's loud.
With your hand. Okay.
Come on, turn down. Okay. Now what I'm going to work on doing for a little while is taking that blue paint, and I think I'm going to start painting this wall on this side. From there to the door. I'm going to see about doing that. I don't know about this side yet. I'm going to see how it goes. It's going to get up to like 91 today. It got to 93 yesterday. 81 in the house. It was warm. But 91 today. Not quite as bad. So anyways, I'm going to get to painting for a little bit, and I'll check back in with you when I slap some of this blue, okay? Alrighty then. See you in a few. Her name is Maria. Blah. Okay, folks, there's our first coat of blue. You can't see much, but it's kind of getting there. I gotta let this set dry for a while. It's kind of pulling, not wanting to stick in some places. It will. This is just the first coat. But I go around the door, I'm going down that way, you see, and across, and down over on this wall. Doing that wall from there to the door. That I don't think I'm going to do anything with at the moment. I think we're going to have to find something. I'm not happy with what I'm coming up with for that, for a backsplash. So I'm not going to mess with that. But I'm going to paint that. I'm tempted to start the first coat over here. There to here isn't going to take long. Just got to get these curtains down. So I think I'm going to smack a coat of paint over here too. Right there, yes, over there. And then while that's drying, I can maybe hop back over here. See you in a few. Well, folks, here we are. I've got this room painted. The blue and this wall here is all done. See, all the way down. It's hard to see in here with no light, but there it is, all painted blue. See, goes on down, done all down that wall, over to the right. There. All this is painted, the booth. Everything's painted nice and blue. And then over there, that wall,
this looks like a traditional Japanese.
Got that wall all painted too.
But inside,
looks a lot better than it did, huh? Kind of brightened it up a little bit. Get rid of that dull shit. Still watching TV, it's staying up there. It's crooked, but it's just the way the brackets are on there, man. I had to fight that. I'm debating on either painting this part here. I think I can leave it alone. I don't think that looks too bad. It's just like makes it another little room or another section maybe. I don't know. And of course I haven't even... God, I got crap everywhere in here. There's our bathroom, remember? There's our bathroom all done. I'm going to put the lights in here soon enough. There's our bathroom all finished up. And all the shower thing and everything. The tub. Skylight. I gotta do the countertop yet. I still gotta build one of those. I can only reach through here. Here's the bedroom, still untouched. Still needs a good vacuuming. And I'm going to paint this room in here. I think I'm going to paint it blue too. Or a combination of the blue and the dark blue or something. I don't know. I still got to strip out a little bit of stuff up here. I don't know. I'll get there eventually. I'm just glad. Look how far we got, people. Ceiling and everything, all looking good. What do you think, huh? I like. But I'm going to call this episode right, y'all. Yes, I is. And I don't know why I opened that. Yeah, I do. I got to shut stuff down. But yeah, I'm going to get this paint can. I painted from right there on the table. Didn't even get stuff all over the place. Look at that. Not bad, huh? Not bad. But I'm going to close this up, get my paintbrush washed, because that belongs out in my art studio. It's one of my good art painting brushes. But anyways, I'm going to leave this episode here. Nice little time of run we had today. It's nice and cool out here. This is the least sweaty I've been, because I've just been sitting under the air conditioner painting. Nice. But anyways, we'll leave this episode here. I got another subscriber the other day. Thank you very much. Up to 31 now. Woohoo! But hope you enjoyed the episode today. For Hands On with BLG, for BLGI, yeah, BLG. I'm righty, and I'm lefty. They both got to paint again today. They like painting. Okay, so anyways, have a good one, y'all. We'll see you in the next episode. I think this is episode 6. Yes. We'll see you in episode 7.